Oh, and don't forget to supervise your children. And for the safety of our cast, we ask that you please refrain from the use of flash photography and external video lighting. Now that we've taken care of business, let's talk about me. My name is Meg, and I'll be your guide for this magical journey into the movies. It's the perfect job for me because I love movies. So, is everybody ready? Ready? Well, great, because it's showtime. We're ready when you are, CB. And we are rolling. Hello everyone and welcome to the Great Movie Ride. Once again, my name is Meg. I'll be taking you from this Hollywood soundstage right into some of the greatest movies of all time. All on one tour. And just between you and me, this is no ordinary tour. Because the Great Movie Ride brings these movies to life and puts you right in the middle of the action. Now first, let's visit those great Hollywood musicals, starting in 1933 with Busby Berkeley's Extravaganza, Footlight Parade, starring James Cagney, Ruby Keeler, and Dick Powell. In 1952, Gene Kelly was Singing in the Rain with Debbie Reynolds and Donald O'Connor. Did you know Gene Kelly also co-directed this movie? Can anyone tell me what movie this is? That's right, it's Walt Disney's Academy Award-winning film, Mary Poppins, starring Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke. Julie Andrews won the Academy Award for her portrayal of the nanny, who was practically perfect in every way. Hold on to those wallets and purses, folks. This doesn't look like a very good neighborhood. In fact, it looks a lot like the underworld, the scene of such classic gangster films as The Public Enemy, starring one of my favorite tough guys, James Cagney. Even though Cagney is best known as one of the movie's greatest gangsters, he won his only Oscar for his role as the song and dance man for Joan Cohen in Yankee Doodle Dandy. Some of my favorite movies are gangster pictures. Sorry. He's got a point though, I hate it when people talk at the movies.
Set up a flare or something. Cigars and yours smells like burning garbage.
Okay, can anyone tell me the one movie that Clint Eastwood and John Wayne made together? The Great Movie Ride. That's right, they never made a picture together. Until now.
Hi, Tail and out of here. Go right ahead if that's what you're inclined to do. A long time ago, I made me a rule. Let people do what they want to do.
The Duke and Clint have made some of the greatest westerns of all time. The Searchers, the Good... Someone's robbing the bank? Oh, not on my watch, Pilgrim. Sit tight, folks. I'll be right back.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. Your guide will return momentarily. Remain seated, please.
Wait! Looky here. Just in time for a perfect getaway.
Hold it right there, already.
Job, stay.
Oh, come on. You wouldn't shoot a gal in the
Oh,
back?
yeah? That's too late, Rachel. Isn't that right?
Reach for the sky!
I'm reaching.
You're under arrest!
Get in there.
Let him go, woman!
Get yourself up! Maybe the judge will go easy on you! You're waiting for this!
Nothing doing! Somebody's sticking my neck in a noose!
You're in my gang now. Time to saddle up and ride. Yeah. I'll meet you back at the hideout, Snake.
Adios, Tin Horn. I'm riding off into the sunset. Whoa, the sun sure went down quick, didn't it? Oh, Mr. Ranger, the police here, Bart. What nation is this?
You are with Sigourney Weaver aboard the spaceship Nostromo. Something has gone wrong. One by one, the crew has vanished. And somewhere in the ship, a terrifying creature waits to claim its next victim.
Victim? I don't like the sound of that.
Warning, remain in your vehicle. The area you are entering is extremely dangerous. Proceed with caution.
The emergency destruct system is now active. Ship will detonate in T-minus 10. The option to override automatic detonation expires in T-minus 5.
What the sound heel is that? Look out! Rearing up again! Oh, I wish my old partner Snake was here. Dad, burn it, I said snake, not snakes.
Here in Raiders of the Lost Ark, amid 1,000 deadly snakes, Indiana Jones unearths a great treasure. Will Harrison Ford escape with his discovery? And what will be your fate? Beware.
Sorry, partners, I'm making this up as I go.
The dust of 3,000 years lies undisturbed in this ancient burial chamber. On the chest of the great stone god, a priceless jewel.
Oh, looks like we hit the mother load. I reckon it's time to stake my claim. Don't none of you hombres move along fetching that treasure, less than you want a belly full of lead.
But the jewel is guarded by a curse, and those who dare defy that curse must pay with their lives.
Unbeliever, disturb the treasure of the gods and you shall all pay with your lives.
Big role, huh? Well, that just goes to show you, anything can happen in the movies. Now let's get on with the show. Ooh, I see dead people. The horror movie is my all-time favorite genre. Some of the best horror films were produced back in the 1930s and 40s. But monsters, mutants, and maniacs are still audience favorites and continue to haunt us today. Now that's what I call a wrap. We are now entering the jungle home of one of the most beloved characters of all time. No, that is not George of the Jungle, actually. It's Tarzan, portrayed here by Johnny Weissmuller. Over there, we have Maureen O'Sullivan as Jane, and the lovely and talented Cheetah as herself. Johnny Weissmuller is probably the best known Tarzan, but he had some tough competition for the title role in his first film. When casting the 1932 version of Tarzan the Ape Man, producers seriously considered a young, unknown actor by the name of Clark Gable. The future Rhett Butler lost the role because the director didn't think Gable was muscular enough. Tarzan has appeared in nearly 50 different film adaptations since 1918, including Disney's 37th animated feature.
Get off the plane!
Louis, I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship. Best last line of a movie ever. Humphrey Bogart and Ingrid Bergman in the classic romance, Casablanca.
It doesn't take much to see that the problem of three little people don't want to kill a beans in this crazy world. Someday you'll understand that. It's looking at you, kid. Inside of us, we both know you belong to Victor. Time is work, the thing that keeps him going. That plane needs the ground, and we're not with him to do better. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon, the rest of your life. We'll always have past. We didn't have it. We lost it and we became Casablanca. We got it back last night. I got a job to do too. Well, I'm going to try. I've got to do it.
Here's one of my favorite movie stars. It's Mickey Mouse in one of his greatest roles, the Sorcerer's Apprentice in Fantasia. The sorcerer's name in the sequence is Yen Sid, which is Disney's spelled backwards. Toto, I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore. How often do you get to say that? I'd say we're definitely somewhere over the rainbow in one of the most beloved movies of all time. The Wizard of Oz. How we get out of here. What do you folks think? Which way do we go?
Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road. Why didn't I think of that? Sing along, folks. You know the words.
Because
hope you've enjoyed our tour through these great moments at the movies, but we've only scratched the surface of what Hollywood has to offer. There are thousands of other great movies out there just waiting for you to discover. And here are just a few of my favorites.
I want to make him an offer, Captain.
We're not in Kansas anymore. Hello, gorgeous.